All right, language explorers. So let's look at bear. To handle a burden. Yeah, to bear something, like here. Yeah. I will bear the weight, or bear the weight. Yeah. I will bear the consequences. She will bear the luggage. Yeah. They will need to bear the decision. Forever. Forever. Yeah. She bears her emotions close. She keeps them close to her. She bears her emotions in her heart and doesn't share them. She bears her emotions in her heart and doesn't share them. Yeah, doesn't share them. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, we could say then, I bear, you bear, they bear. Okay? He bears, she bears, it bears. Yeah. So, she bears all the weight. He bears all responsibilities. All the consequences, all the decision making. He bears all responsibility. Yeah. It bears all our data and information. The computer does. Yeah. Has all our information and data on it. It bears everything. It carries everything for us. Yeah. I have borne it for a year. Borne it. Past tense. I not bared it. It's I borne it for a long time. I had to bear it for a long time. I had to bear it for a long time. I bore it for years. How cool is that? I'm bearing the fruits of my decision. So I'm receiving and having to handle. I have to bear the fruits of my actions. I'm handling the results from my actions. What's happened, and I have to deal with the fruit, the reward. Yeah. I can't bear it forever. He cannot bear his choices all the time. I have to help him bear the consequences. Yeah, he has to deal with the consequences, and I'll help him bear. I'll help him handle a burden, like to carry something, whether physical or not. Like emotions, bear the emotions, bear the choices, bear the decisions, bear my actions, bear the luggage, like this, these things. Yes. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorer? So I bear, you bear, they bear. He bears, she bears, it bears. How cool is that, Language Explorer? So bear. Can you use bear in a sentence? Write the sentence in the comments below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come, more English on its way. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.